What's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan Guillory again, and we're back with another trading video today. We're actually going to come with some pretty good content because I just bought another evaluation account, 50,000 core evaluation account through My Funded Futures prop firm. So we will be trading that live on the video, so you'll be able to see my executions, and I'll be able to explain why I got in those trades. So like we talked about yesterday, just getting a real little recap of what the market did. To me, it didn't do anything yesterday. Here, let's see. It did not do much of anything yesterday, but hit a bunch of stop losses. That's what this price action looks like to me. Like, I'd rather some straight up, some consistent price action like that rather than this choppiness. So the only trade could have been that morning manipulation pump to the upside. That was the only trade I would have thought was a good trade. You might have been able to catch this, but to me, yesterday was not a good trading day. Just looking at it, like looking at the pre-market, you just could tell it wasn't really going to be a volatile day. But you may be wondering why this huge candle, all this small candles in this huge candle. Nvidia had earnings yesterday, so let's look at Nvidia. See, Nvidia had earnings right after close, and so it was basically pretty priced in. Like, we're back right where we started. So overall earnings were positive. I have the info right here. So they announced record revenue of $46.7 billion, a 56% increase year over year. Their adjusted earnings per share were $1.05, beating analyst expectations of $1.01. The company announced a new $60 billion stock repurchase program. But the data center revenue was a slight miss. They reported $41.1 billion in data center revenue, a 56% year-over-year jump, but it was slightly below Wall Street's consensus estimate of $41.3 billion. So it was slightly missed by the expectations. And it dropped 3% in the after hours, but obviously we're back to where we closed the day off and we're pumping because the market just opened. It says analysts remain bullish on Nvidia's future prospects, noting that the company's long-term growth story remains intact. So one more thing. The negative market reaction is largely due to the slight data center revenue miss and the ongoing uncertainty around China sales. Investors had extremely high expectations for the AI leader, and the report, while strong, failed to wow the market. So that's what's going on with Nvidia, as you can see. And that will affect the NASDAQ. Which is really, today might, because remember we were trading in this range. Go ahead and mark up the charts, trading in this fib range, which we're breaking out of now. If we get a candle close above this zone right here. Let's see if we do 4-hour candle closes in 27 minutes. So we won't know until 27 minutes, but it has a lot of volatility to the upside right now. So we have that. Let's go ahead and get that off. Zoom in, breaking out of the range. We're uptrend. So if we can stay up, close up, I will be bullish on the day, have a bullish bias. I put this on the wrong one. Okay. All right, well, cool. Let's work out. Asia session high, Asia session low. London session high already got taken out. Previous day high already got taken out. And London session low is right here. Yeah. Excuse me. A lot of early market bullishness, so let's see what happens up here. Because we have no confirmation this is going to continue so far. This is previous day highs. What the? All right, well, let's mark out. Let's see what ES has going on. 4 hour, we're touching that all-time high. It's interesting. Let's see what we do up here. Touching this, there we go. Still didn't get it there. That's good enough, I don't care. Touching this all-time high. Haven't quite crossed it yet. Getting some retracement. But we're touching it and we're close. See how we react off of there. We have London session high, which we just swept. London session high. And we got London session low. Right here. There we go. And then Asia session high, Asia session low. Down there. Okay, well, there we go. Market came up and swept London session high. Let's see if we can get if we're gonna reverse or we had a market structure shift, so see if we continue to the downside. Gotta watch NASDAQ with all the NVIDIA stuff going on. dropped pretty hard. There's a continuation. See if we can get back down inside of the gap. Inside of the zone, I mean, the fib zone. If we stay above these highs, I'd definitely be bullish. But if we start dropping back below the zone, then I will be bearish for the day. Volume's bearish, momentum is to the downside. Getting a bearish reaction off this zone. Let's see if we can continue it. Just gotta be patient. Not trying to rush into any trades. MACD just flipped. I might be looking for shorts here, but when I have better confirmation than this. today. More volume than the Nasdaq. $50 about to close in a minute, so we'll see what that gives us. Creating a flag pattern, but the only thing I don't like about this is how high this is. Don't like that. That's why I think we're about to come down at least to see what we get off of this. So this gap, the 5-minute gap right here, see what kind of reaction if we can get down there through this sideways movement. Okay, 15-minute just closed. Mark out the high and the low. It's the range right now. Market's heading towards this gap. Let's see what it wants to do off of it. 5-minute bullish gap. ES is starting to look bearish, but I would like both of these to look that way before choosing a bearish bias for the whole morning. Let's see if we can hold down. If we get a close below this gap, I will try. I may try the shorts. Let's see. Yes, is going for money such low. Not really getting good movement, consistent movement. That's why I'm not in anything yet, but I do. That gap might hold it up. volume on the higher time frames are bullish right now. May just enter off this gap for a move back up. See if we can flip the 1 minute. Or if we stay down. If we stay down, continue to wait. But if the 1 minute starts to curl back to the upside or give me a confluence to enter off of, then I will enter long off this 5 minute gap, but we'll see right here. Let's see. Okay. Air just turned on in here. It's been 90 degrees every day that I come in here and record a video. But now the air wants to turn on and it's freezing. And I'm wearing shorts. My legs are freezing right now. Oh, there we go. Bearish for sure. Making a big move to the downside. Everything's back down in the range now, so looks like they're canceling that upside movement. Still no trade for me. We haven't inversed this gap yet, this 5 minute gap, so I still don't want to force a short and then we reverse. Just waiting. Video must have dropped. Yup. It dropped big. $3. Down $3.20 on the day. 1.8%. Video down 1.8% on the day. Really volatile though, so watch out for that. See what happens at this gap right here. freezing in here. Air has never been on when I come in here. Yes, tap into the gap and just making another move to the downside. $50 seconds till this 5-minute candle closes, and I will have a bearish bias on the day. Be looking to enter off of one of these zones. Probably right here. Not that much. So we got the close, but I want to wait for a retracement before entering. I don't want to just enter down here. I want to wait for a bullish pump. See if we get it. Or see if we just go straight down. Ooh, I don't like this anymore. Took out London session low. Still have Asia session low, but this is too high. We're not gonna pump that high. We'd have to look for an entry down here. Darn. School Wi-Fi. What the heck did I just press? was the trade though, that's for sure. So boring, just sitting here. Like, let me make some money, please. Make some money. No. What the? Some lint fuzz. Here's the gap. What I don't like is that we swept it. We didn't get a close below. That's what I don't like about it, but man, that we swept London session low. Still bearish on the day though, so for right now, might look to enter off of this gap right here. Targeting down in this area. Here. So we entered on this bearish 5-minute gap because we see this gap too. Stops above the gaps. Only one lot with targets. I would be targeting this sell side liquidity, but because of the consistency rule, we have to stop it at $1,500 profit. But yeah, stops above the zones right here. Risking, it was about 9. I did not see the risk. It was about, I hate when this moves while I'm trying to do something. It's about 9:20 to make 1,500. So let's see the reaction. Stops will go to break even on the break below this zone. Break below that liquidity right here, the bottom, lower there. So stops will go to break even. Great reaction off the initial entry. Up around 500 right now. Let's see if we get continued to the downside. I want to see a test of the low like early. I want to see it go slow because that means I don't want I don't want that to happen because I don't want, if I see the 5 minutes start to curl up and start seeing bullish volume, bullish reactions, then I would not feel comfortable with this trade. I also don't want to see an inverse of this gap right here. May get out early if I see an inverse of this smaller gap. Remember, what I don't like about this trade is that we swept Monday session low, but I am bearish on the day due to all of the confluences. So, but let's see. This is where I'd like to see a strong reaction downwards, but we are getting wrecked. Down about 500 now. What a swing. I also don't like how this flipped green, but thought we'd get a better reaction off of the zone straight down. But let's see what we do up here. Yeah, you're starting to have bearish volume on the lower time frames also, but higher time frames, I'm seeing some bullish volume, which is not good for my trade. But let's trust the trade. And if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Reevaluate. Looking like we will get stopped out here. My My stop may be too low, just because I didn't really want to risk that much, so I didn't want to risk much short over 50% of the account, but maybe too low because it's not, my idea is not wrong until we get a candle close above here. So hopefully we can reverse here though, instead of having to get stopped out, wicked out. But it is what it is if we do. Okay, that's good. Okay. Order flows coming in bearish. Still haven't gotten a candle close above this I was talking about, this fair value gap right here. So I'm still liking this trade. Still, my idea is still okay. But if we get stopped out or we close above this zone, we will exit, because that will make my idea wrong, and I don't want to lose more than I should in this trade. But let's see if we can start reversing. We got bearish volume coming in. Looks like my initial trade idea was the one to look at. Entering off of this inverse fair value gap instead of off this fair value gap, but it's all good. We would need to flip here soon. We would need to close below. This 5-minute candle needs to close below 23,658. But bullishness might be too strong. Just trying to go eat breakfast, man. Dining hall closes at 10. I'm not trying to sit in this trade till 10. Like, just stop me out. Maybe that's negative. Just go to TP. Nope, didn't want to listen. Ouch. What the heck? Oh, great. I'm bleeding now. So how was y'all's day? You know, my day's going great. You know, trade is a few ticks from getting waked out. You know, we could have perfect stop loss placement though. I know y'all thinking what I'm thinking. Dang, I'm bleeding a lot. Oh, looks like we're getting stopped. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe a flush. Oh, that's what I'm talking. Oh, shoot. I spoke too soon. Bleeding all down my leg. You know, napkins or nothing in here. Man, oh, look at that. Closed above the zone. Don't know about this one. I'm gonna need you to rush down if we're gonna stay in this one. The sideways stuff ain't paying no bills. Let's see if this candle can close red. Watch it won't. What did I say? Just gotta trust your trade. I'm tired. I'm gonna go back to sleep. And still holding me in. Oh, look at there. Every time I talk, it pumps. I don't know what to wipe my leg with. I'm liking that. I know y'all liking it too. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Pause. That was zesty. Almost made me cry on the street. On live video. First video trading. Oh, well, every time I talk, it just goes up. Come on, give us a close below the gap. live trading. What we need in here is some music. We need some of that hype music, like, oh, oh, it's football season. Oh, oh, yeah, like, that'll make it go down, right? It's scared of me. It fears me. Literally fears me. Yeah. Yeah, it fears me. All right, tomorrow I'm gonna bring my speaker in here so we can jam some music. But today we gotta be in the silence. You gotta listen to my voice. Shoot, almost fell. You gotta listen to my voice. My beautiful, majestic voice. Yeah. You feel me? Bet y'all don't even know what this is. Or this. Or this. See that? See that? Quit playing. You want to go down. Watch. Oh, shoot. Watch. Let's see. Got emojis. Yup. Bro. Where is what I'm looking for? Quicker I find it, quicker I stop losing in this trade. Is there no search? What the cheeks? See, now I'm back down $500+ because of you. What? Man. Where is it? Come on. Got blood all down my leg, man. We're gonna find it before we lose this trade, watch. Or right after we lose this trade. I don't know where it is. Come on. No, don't lose yet. No. Why can't I find it? It should be in the houses, right? That's not the houses, that's activity. Bro, are we serious? Are you serious? Oh, here it is. Oh, let's go. The bricks is finna bring it down. Knock it down. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, it's them heavy bricks. Yeah. No. These bricks. I need more bricks. Where the bricks at? Brick. Oh, it's in here. I'm tripping. Bricks. More bricks. See what I'm saying? Them bricks be working. You gotta bring them down, though. Bring them bricks down. Knock it down. Oh, shoot. No. It's too low. Too low. Keep it above the candle. Come on, bricks. Lock in. Bricks. Put in that work. Come on now, bricks. I'm gonna break it down to 23,555. or wherever the take profit is. Break, break, break. Oh wait, you know what else I need? They should have a search in here. It's just so dumb. I don't want to look through every single. Damn, I've been out here for almost an hour. And they made no money. How you gonna have financial freedom if you gotta sit here for an hour and make no money? I could be sitting in McDonald's and making $10. That's more than I made today. That make no sense. Trade is a scam. All right, don't listen to nobody else. Trading is a scam. All right, just putting y'all on. I got y'all. Putting y'all on game. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Ooh, knock. It's a whole freaking workout, man. Oh, it's like doing construction out here, man. You just gotta put the bricks on the right handles and knock on it. Take a break. You gotta take a break. Oh my gosh. God, this is funny. No cap. No cap. And the air just turned back on. It's freaking freezing. It's freaking freezing. Oh yeah. See that perfect stop loss placement? Like, every time I talk. Come on. Come on. You know it's good for you. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. See? See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? It's all in the bricks. Like, y'all really think it's because I got in a good trade, which I really didn't. I got in early. But it's all in the bricks. Just put the brakes over it. The brakes will do the work for you. You gotta get the hammer too. Did we close below it? Dang it. Dang it. Didn't close below it. Ugh. You're gonna make me, bro. This is gonna make me miss breakfast, bro. We need this huge candle down. Ginormous candle down. Like Donkey Kong candle down. Freezing in here. Sure, wear sweats. I'm wearing sweats every other day. Every other day. Oh, man. Okay. You know what we should do? We should move this stop loss like 300, 400, that's not good enough. 458 ticks. Still not good. Wait, that's a negative RR. That's what I'm talking about. A lot of negatives. We love them negatives. Okay. 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 No. This video is gonna be too long. Please just go. Make my videos shorter. Nobody's gonna watch an hour-long video. Nobody. Nobody. I wouldn't do it either. Now run. Run like the wind. We're not going anywhere. This move down is going too slow for me. Come on, little birdie. Oh, man. I'm determined to sit here until this trade is over. Determined. Determined. Trust. Y'all just gonna have to sit with me. Come on now. Hey, if you stay to this point, let me know in the comments, because you deserve a treat. If you watch this whole video, you deserve a treat. Give you a freaking, I'm gonna give you a Scooby-Doo snack, Scooby snack. Feel me? Scooby snacks. No, Big D bucks. I'm gonna give you some Big D bucks. That's what I'm talking about. Give you some Big D bucks. You don't need no Scooby snack. Freaking munch. All you think about is eating. Goodness. That's what's wrong. That's what's wrong with y'all, man. Instead of eating, get on these dang charts. You feel me? Get on these charts. Study some. Make some money. Praise God. Do something. Please. You know why it's going up? Because we slacked on our job. Oh shoot. What the? These bricks ain't doing a dang thing. This thing. Oh, what the cheeks. Bro. That's embarrassing. What did it bounce off of? You just wanted to bounce. Whoa! Time to go eat breakfast. Looks like that's what it's about to be. About to be that breakfast time. Because this trade is cooked. It's cooked. Look at that. Watch. Stopped out in 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't even look at. I bet you never met someone that wants to be stopped out so bad. But what is this? Maybe? I don't want to move. I'm nervous. Maybe it's because I'm zooming in so much. The camera should not be that big. Come on. You know you want it. Literally one tick. What the heck? Is that one? No, it's probably like 2. What the? Where's my stop at? Oh, that's 1 tick away. Yo. Is that how you feeling today? Is that how we moving? We trapping the bulls. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, I'm liquidity. Trust. I'm just liquidity. They call me retail trader for a reason. Take my money and run with it. Yeah. But they don't know. My stop loss is at. Here, let me not say that out loud. Because if I say that out loud, they go straight to it. The government's watching, or some freaking firms in New York listening to me. That's where they have. Who made TradingView? Hold on. Shoot. Maybe I should have searched up the owner. Stan Bakov, Dennis Globa, Konstantin. Give me a second. Let's do some research on these dudes. Stan Bakov. Yo, he's majestic. Why? What are you doing? Oh, yeah, he's rich. I shouldn't be talking about him. It's a tough picture game. Canadian. Why do you open a new tab every time I search something up? Dennis Globa. That's interesting. So, what is he mixed with, gang? Just tell me. Whoa. That's the same. That's the same dude? Am I tripping? Let me know in the comments. That's the same dude? Please, because that don't look like the same dude to me. Bro, we've been in this trade for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 35 minutes. Just go stop me out, bro. Got it right when the sideways movement started. Let's go. It's great. It's just great. Stop me out now. Who's the last dude? Constantine. Oh, stop me out now? I want y'all to be able to see me get stopped out. Because this looks like we're about to. Yes, we did. Finally. Goodness gracious. This freaking stupid trade. Well, that's it for the video. Oh, let's look at Constantine first. Ivanov. I don't know how to say his last name. Russian. Wait, what? That is not the... Google. You're testing me with Google. Trading view ethnicity. I asked for his ethnicity. Who does he look like? Hold on, because I might answer this. Trade again. Nah, I don't know. Konstantin Ivanov. They didn't even tell me what his ethnicity is, bro. Anyways, it's the owners of Trading View. They like making people lose money and make other people make money. It's like give and take. I get in shorts, someone else took my money. But I'm on a pop firm, 900, I ain't even lose $900 for real. That's the problem with today's trading age. People thinking like that. You did lose $900. Little bro. Feel me? We're gonna get a reversal off the trend line. Ugh. May enter one more trade. It's tighter stop loss, heavier risk. How much do we lose? 940. $45. So that means we need 900 right there. This is the trade. Bow. Watch and learn. Do not follow this trading strategy. This is strictly for entertainment. This strategy is the trend line strategy, which should be right there. The trend line strategy. I'm trading this trend line down into back into this zone that we have here, because if we lose this trade, we're done. You already made me miss freaking breakfast, so. Right. It's just called the perfect entry strategy, watch. Bow. Well, let's get an inverse of this gap and start moving downwards. Bow. Okay, got the inverse. No, we didn't. Yeah, we did, but market does not like anything today. Anything bearish. What's Nvidia doing? That's probably why we're losing. Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked. Hold on, did the trade lose already? Oh my, we're cooked. Y'all thought my stop loss was right there. Let's see. Well, how much are we down? Yeesh. I think we're gonna join the long train. If we blow the account, we'll start another one. Where is what am I doing? Chat, what is going on? Oh, it's right there. Don't like that. Why do I just keep opening? don't want to see that. Bro. And we're done. There's your entertainment for the day, buds. Clap it up. All right, no more playing. So we blew another account, trying to pass the evaluation fast. We are now down. Let's see. My phone is broken. 431 plus another $73. We're down $500 on this challenge. I will let y'all know if there's any trades taken afterwards. It would be after this part of the video. And I'm gonna go eat breakfast or go back to sleep. So catch y'all on the flip. Get that money. See y'all later.